Hi, this is Daddy Dome and today I will teach you to make this epic boomerang, the triple kill. You can choose any kind of papers, but it should be the same size. And don't forget to bring sticky tape too. And now I will make it from the old notebook. First step, you need to prepare your paper first. So, in this step, you just need 3 papers. Okay. And then you cut through it to make 2 papers from here. Okay, we got 2 and another one from here. Okay, let's start. In this step, you just make a small crease in a half and you mark here. Then you flip it and fold to the half. And half again, and the last one. After that, you rolling for 2 and press down, rolling for 2 and press down, rolling for 2 and press. Okay, then you use your sticky tape to hold it first. In this step, you need to align this line and this one, and then you fold from here down. Okay, the shape should be like this. Okay, and next you use a sticky tape to hold it. Okay. So we finish the first arm, and you need more too. And now we have 3 arms here. We have the long and the short in here. You just rotate it, put it on the table, and then you put this top to here and make a V shape. And then the last one, you put the top here and make the last one like this. So before you use a sticky tape, you need to concentrate in this corner. This corner should be at this position, the same one. Try to arrange all three corners first. Okay. Okay, this corner is set in position. Here is set, all set. Then you use a sticky tape to hold it. After you finish, you flip to another side. Okay, the last one. Whew. For playing, you need to hold in this position and you throw it like this. It will come back to you. And if you want to hit some target, you hold in another direction like this. And you throw it in here. Don't forget, if you want it to come back, you hold like this. But if you want to hit something, you throw like this. Happy playing!
Hey, don't change the channel! If you like paper airplane, toys, don't forget to subscribe us. You can do it by click on the top right, then click subscribe, and you will never miss any update. And I have something to surprise you. See you on next clip.